So I got these eggs for Easter. Got a couple from my father-in-law. He gave them to me to try, and I do love them, but I heard that they're not good if they stay too long, but he only gave me yesterday. My voice sounds a bit like drained. I am not feeling well, but I want to still just show you guys. So this is one. I just noticed that the water is like colored. Ah, it's all colored. This is the ugliest I've ever peeled an egg. Like, honestly, I believe I'm really good at peeling eggs. So this is my worst job yet. But this part that has the color, I'm so afraid. I don't know what was used to give the egg that color that it has. So I'm just gonna take it off. So today we're going out for a walk. So I'm show you guys what I'm wearing. I'm wearing this black hoodie, some joggers. I'm going to wear my sneakers because we're going for a really long walk, so I want to be very comfortable. And wear my glasses. That's it. It's not sunny today, so no need for excessive sunscreen, although I used a little, because even if it's not sunny, you still need like a little sunscreen. So let's go. See you outside. So we're getting rid of these boxes. There's so much here. They're all Leo's old shoes. This is 20. And right now he's wearing 27. These were his first shoes. How crazy. Good morning, everyone. I was trying to think of how to do this intro. Sorry, Leo's watching Cocomelon in the living room, so he's going to be laughing randomly. I haven't been feeling well lately, so having this conversation with you guys is really hard because I'm trying to really talk from my chest. You know, my chest is congested. My throat hurts so much. So I'm trying to talk, but it's very difficult. So today, my plan for today is to clean up my apartment, which I have done majorly already. But I want to just clean up my bathroom, minor cleaning, because the deep cleaning would be done on Saturday. Today is just, what is today? I always lose track of time when I'm here. My gosh, today is Thursday. What? Today is Thursday, and yeah, I didn't know that. I thought today was Tuesday, but today's Thursday. So the plan for today is clean up my apartment. I also have to go to the police station to thumbprint. My card is ready. And what else do I have to do today? Yeah, I guess that's all. That's really all. But I'm also gonna take you guys, because it's raining. It's been raining all through. I think the weather forecast says it will rain entirety of today. So I also need to work out this morning because I have to be at the police station at 1. It's already 10:53. We woke up really late today. Woke up at 8:30 a.m. because everybody was tired. I was coughing throughout the night. Leah was coughing throughout the night. So it was really difficult. But yeah, let's go ahead and just clean the bathroom minorly. Majorly will be done on Saturday. I'm not going to clean the walls or the bathroom doors because those ones will be cleaned on Saturday. Just the toilets are the most important part for me. So let's go and do that now. And we left Leo at home, not by himself of course, with his grandparents, so they're gonna babysit while we go and finish what we need to do. Oh god, it's so hard to talk, but it's been raining all day, and like I said, the weather forecast says it will rain the entirety of the day. So yeah, we're just going to have to I don't know. It's not cold, but I just don't like I don't like the rain. But yeah, let me show you guys what it looks like. There we have soup from the Italian restaurant. There and there. So, oh no, Leo.
Neka. Aha, samo iz drugog. Olovke bacaju.
Da.
Olovke, ma neka.
So this is what my eye is looking like. It's just red, but it's not that bad anymore today because I haven't itched it for a while, like since yesterday, since I put the plasters on. But you can't even see properly. If you were like in person, if you're in front of me, you could see that my eyes are, how do I hold this? Okay. So if you were standing next to me, like, or maybe in front of me, and you were looking into my eyes, you would notice that my eyes are reddish. This one especially, because it's the one that has been itchy. But you can't notice it because it's a phone. Anyways, I was able to peel off like 7 nails yesterday. I really hate these things now. I will not recommend dip-ins if you're not going to somebody who can actually do it well to the point where it will last. I will not recommend it. And I have this one and this one left. The rest haven't peeled off, but it's still kind of been hard for me. This one has proven really difficult. I haven't tried this one yet. But yeah, let's go eat lunch.
Evo, tole je ono, ovo tebi. Može?
Može.
Ali moraš malo pohladiti, malo ćeš ti probati, znaš?
Dobro.
Pa ako on hoće još, onda ću još staviti. Evo, dobar tek. Skinuti jako.
Ne, će sjediti tamo i ja.
Jakna, neće ti nije dobro.
Nisam. It's not hard.
Ovo isto da ti se ne oplavilo.
This is all for one person. That's a lot.